In this video, we will show you how to create a new customer or vendor in CustomBooks. To start, click the quick menu link and select either vendor or customer. From here, you can select if they are a customer, vendor, employee, or all three by ticking the corresponding boxes. Enter the name and complete any details needed on the tabs below. Once you have the details entered, click Save. Since we set up Amy's Bakery as a customer and a vendor, if we go to Lists and select Customers, we see them listed here. Now when we go to List, and this time select Vendors, here they are in the list of vendors. That is how you can create your customers and vendors in CustomBooks. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up on all the latest news on CustomBooks.